My name is Dr. Deborah Yerman, your local Encino chiropractor, and welcome to another quick tip for a happy, healthy, pain-free life. Today, we're going to be talking about what to do with low back pain or rib pain and feel a sneeze coming on. So this is Tess, and Tess is going to be demonstrating. So if you feel a sneeze coming on, find a wall, back up to the wall and flatten your back, pushing your body into the wall as much as you can, and then go ahead and sneeze. Right. If you have rib pain, you can put your arms around your ribs, hold very tight, keep your back pushed into the wall, and sneeze again. And that will really help so that you don't have as much muscle spasm from it. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Deborah Yerman, offering short-term care for your neck and back pain. Be well.